The fmax function in C++ finds a maximum of two numbers. Fmax is in the CMath header file. We will hash include CMath. We will want to print our answer, so we will hash include IOStream as well as doing using namespace std. Fmax returns a double, so for our answer we will do double ant equals fmax of 3 and 4. Let's print our answer out. To C out, we will put ants. And to our answer, we will put the end line. If we run this code, we get 4, meaning 4 is the max between 3 and 4. This has been Cubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.